Yes, sir. This is another episode of Brand Collabo where we promote our brands, where we promote our artists. We also interview the brand owner. Vandaag sisesotsha bambezela SB bafethu phansi khona Jozi Maboneng. We here with the creativity. Sicela mfethu sichaze ngaphambi kokuthi nje simosh isikhathi. This is Fire King, by the way, ngiyangithola. So yes I. So bengicela sichaze ukuthi ubani. We know him as King Yellow, but nje would like to know more about ukuthi ubani nebrand yakho ukuthi kwenzakalani. So my king, the stage is yours.
Yo, blessed love, King Selassie Rastafari.
Yes sir.
Yo, bafethu lo nojabula nepingu. I'm from Soweto, lo metopsi, Dobsonville Hostel. Yeah, so still man say self-reliant and self-independent and self-esteem.
Yeah.
Just to be as a star, man, I believe to myself ukuthi izinto zenzakala, and I believed while I was growing nje ukuthi ngizenze izinto ngezandla yabo. So I did believe there's something different that I can do, and since I grew up I never believed to work any company. I believed to myself while I was designing things for myself. People started to like my style. Ngihlala ngibenzela abantu one by one izinto yabo. So I end up thinking to create a shop yabo. While going to the events, selling. I see things are growing, I end up having a stall. So I went to my flea markets, Cape Town, Monabi, Sunset.
Oh, you've been around,
So Bushfire, we've been there. Any Pop Marley Festival. We've been traveling.
My king has been traveling.
Bloemfontein. Been there market So as Socha Bambezela, the concept of Socha Bambezela, some soja, you know. So as we are stars, we are all stars. So each and everyone is a star, as we are all soldiers. So concept I'm going to tell you as we work together as young stars, we have our future and have our talent. To work together as a team to create our own thing. So here I'm not working alone, I'm working with a lot of artists. So we are all soldiers, you know. So it's teamwork. So that's the part of the growth and who's team. So as a star, we got to keep on shining. So believing to myself, this is what I'm capable of. Never stop doing what I'm doing till even today, you know. Coronas, they did come, we did sustain and survive. But since in the market theater, Maboneng, like us, stole everywhere, you know.
All right, so King, when was this brand established? And then we before it came to Jozi Maboneng, njengoba sibona sisarandwa amabhilidi, and this is a place of gold, everybody knows it. So we'd like to know as a brand collab ukuthi iqale and what inspired the brand to be this brand here today.
Njoba ngisho ukuthi ngaqala ngokuzigqokisa yabo. Mina njoba ngiphume Soweto, ngihlala eSnake Park eBlock 2. Ecabi Block 2.
Snake in the English shadow.
So now sayijika sathi Snake Town. Say product is progressive man.
All right.
Ngihlala eSnake Park ngabo 2000, 1994. Doing works. So ngasuke from 2000 ngabe sengihlala eDobsi. So I started from there eDobsi, ngathengisa eRoadport kuma flea market under the bridge eRoadport. So been basking la Jozi ngithengisa endaweni eziningi kakhulu until today njoba ngila. So boma 1998 mangiqala ke sengiqala ngithi ngiyayenza ngingasaqokisi mina ke sengiyenzela nabantu ngihambe ngiyodisplay
so brand all over.
I've been doing this, man, you know, registered as Socha Bambezela, you know.
Sharp.
Yes, my lord, from the get, so you know.
So since you're saying Sebenzo you one on this brand, who are your co-workers or ningaki in this brand? Masenphelele, like into ezinjalo.
Sibathathu masisebenza lana ne. But there's some people who come with their works, come to exhibit with us, bring the wool work. Someone is like different artists. There's some people abanezinto abazenzayo.
All right.
My workshops wabo. So helping them out to display my craft and their craft.
All right. So I see a lot of things here, my king. I see igqoko, kunempahla. There's also shoes. and everything. So I'd like to know, Guti, is this your own creation from the beginning, or is there someone or desire when it comes to that department?
Yeah, like umsebenzi wethu sawubona sisi behind the scene. Yeah, umsebenzi wethu njengoba ngisho mina ngispecialize nge-leather work, ngenza ama-sandals, amabhanda, ama-wallet, yabo. So nama-necklace,
I see everything, nama bags.
Yeah, so some of our craft is from Ghana, Ethiopia. I'm working with a lot of artists from Africa.
From
they bring
African
different craft.
All right.
There's someone who specializes in Obumba, clay soil.
I see it.
There's someone who specializes in Obumba. There's someone who specializes in Makuni.
Okay.
So I'm working with a team of a lot of people
around African continent.
Yeah, a lot of people, they come and leave their works to me while they see my craft is interesting.
I am blessed. I'm blessed to be here, King. Netimia Misholi is blessed to be here. So Tina Brand Collabo, we interview njengoba sesike-interviewile, King. So we would like to know ukuthi mhlambe as an artist, do you have songs as represent iSotsha Bambezela, or you just dealing with art phela like icathulo and everything? Do you have songs that represent iSotsha Bambezela as a brand?
Yes. Yeah, music now. Check my music go iTunes, Spotify.
iTunes, Spotify.
King Yellow SA.
Yeah.
The album, I have some few videos that I'm still working upon, but still recording more with different artists.
All right.
So aiming to team up with all superstars. All
it's a movement, Buffet. To Fireman is right here. Josie, as we said, Axi podcast is just a mini interview. Sizowazi ukuthi brand ga Fireman King Yellow iqale kuphi iya kuphi, and then njengoba sibona ukuthi sila today. All thanks to Brand Collabo, all thanks to Fireman King, and please keep subscribing and showing here too. This is Brand Collabo Rap Scene. Walala. Jesus.
Bambezela ngithi Sotsha Bambezela. Bambezela ngithi Sotsha Bambezela. Na. Oh yes I know. When days are dark, our friends are few. Ikadilele siko khona badli sinkwa, thina sidla imvuthu zesinkwa. Hakunani uzolunga ketho yon. Bambezela ngithi gogo bambezela. Bambezela ngithi mkhulu bambezela. Bambezela ngithi baba bambezela. Bambezela ngithi mama bambezela. Bambezela ngithi Sotsha Bambezela. Bambezela ngithi Sotsha Bambezela. Bambezela ngithi Sotsha Bambezela. Bambezela ngithi Sotsha Bambezela. So praise him all the nation, praise him all the people, for his merciful kindness is great towards us, and the truth of Jah Rastafari endureth forever. So I lift up my eyes unto the hills, where my help is coming from. Oh Jah, Bambezela. Gidla mazambane, gidla le spinach, gidla le mushroom, gidla le beetroot, gidla le ital. Githi mangithandaza, githi mangigijima, githi ngihlezi phansi nasezibhedlela nasemajele. Githi thanda umakhelwane wakho njengoba uzithanda. Bambezela ngithi Sotsha Bambezela. Bambezela ngithi Sotsha Bambezela. Bambezela ngithi Sotsha Bambezela. Bambezela ngithi Sotsha Bambezela. Black over white, clean over dirty, hard over X, Jah over evil, smile over frown. King Yellow is alongside jungle. Ooh, dem. Ooh, dem. Yababuza. Ooh, dem. Who they? Who them? Yababuza, them TC Marcus Cavi watch it all of them die. Them TC Manueli watch it all of them die. Them TC Black Woman watch it all of them die. Them TC King Selassie watch it all of them die. Them TC Africa watch it all of them die. Them TC Ghetto Youth watch it all of them die. Who they? Who them? Who them? Who they? Who them? Yababuza. Who them? Who they? Who them? Yababuza. Them smoke no forget to eat all of them die. Them yum too much meat watch all of them die. Them sniff up and cocaine watch all of them die. Them no healthy must die watch all of them die. This ganja man all of them die. Shim left the good man and go to the bad man. Shim this rasta man watch all of them die. Who them? Who they? Who them? Yababuza. Who them? Who they? Who them? Yababuza. Them TC Marcus Cavi watch it all of them die. Them TC Manueli watch it all of them die. Them TC Black Woman watch it all of them die. Them TC King Selassie watch it all of them die. Them TC Africa watch it all of them die. Them TC Ghetto Youth watch it all of them die. Who they? Who them? Who them? Who they? Who them? Yababuza. Who them? Who they? Who them? Yababuza. Who them? Who they? Who them? Yababuza. Who them? Who they? Who them? Yababuza.